Yeah. UK stand up. The hustler kids.
That's right.
The anthem part 2.
Check it.
I'm a hustler, that's who I roll with. Fake brothers better recognize if you don't know this. We got chicks and chips and we hold clips, man. I've been through hard times, better know this, man. So listen up when I tell you that I'm focused, man. I seen a lot of niggas trying to stop my shine. That's why I sit back and take my time. Like a fine wine, I get better with age. This is the next stage, the 8 Balls evolution. We're starting a rap revolution. For those who don't know, now you know. We're trying to get a couple of more bowls and all those awards that you can get from award shows, yo. 8 Balls the label, hustlers the team. So holla back when you see just niggas on the scene. That's me, C to the hit chart, fearless CK. My niggas be Cash and T to the J. This is what we do for a living, yo. Every day's a back away, and don't be foolish like a Shantae. Cause if you do, you might get lost like a dog that went astray, you heard?